morning everyone. It is 10:32 and we have arrived at Xuesi Station. 原來呢個好近道風山。咁呢，我哋而家繼續向前行，會經過呢個排頭村。And from Pai Tao Village, we're gonna go up these stairs. Don't go into that hilly road. Just keep going up these stairs. And that sign that you saw just now actually wrote going to Sha Tin train station. But for now, we will keep walking the opposite way. We have just come out of that car road. And over there is called the catwalk path. And we are now on Yao Chun, and we're gonna go up to Tao Feng Shan. Tao Feng Shan is a mountain located in Sha Tin New Territories of Hong Kong. It is named after the Christian monastery on Tao Feng Shan, and the complex built in 1930 is now a Grade 2 listed historical building in Hong Kong. And there's actually a 12-meter tall cross stands on its east side, becoming the landmark of the area. And we went into this road, but let me tell you, that road you don't need to go into, because you'll find out later. 呢度原來上唔到昂塘山㗎喎，咁我哋睇下行邊條路先。We realized we should go up these stairs, but then it actually goes back out to the same way that we went in. So we kept walking up this diagonal road, and this was the correct way. And when you see this Mackley Host Trail sign, we'll go up these stairs and then you'll reach this number 64. Wow! 呢度有好多乾咗嘅松果，呢度呢都有一個小小嘅風景喺度。對面係馬鞍山啊，應該係啊。好咧，咁我哋而家就繼續向住呢個落山嘅方向行啦。
我哋應該去緊道風山，呢段路都幾輕鬆呢。
我哋行錯方向，就要翻轉頭去呢個位。
點解會行錯方向㗎？
因為頭先嗰條路行到啦。真係。There's a pavilion over there. Let's keep going. That is where we came from. That's Tao Feng Shan. Opposite us is Lime Rock Hill. Let's go. 好，我哋繼續向前行先。左手邊有條山路，唔好入去啊！繼續落呢條嘅石屎路就啱嘅啦。
我哋會經過呢個民政事務總署統籌沙田民政事務處建造嘅牌。
Okay, we are now in this spot, and we're trying to go to Ngong Tong Shan, but there are no rooms here.
其實呢度夾硬爆上去應該就係。
咁你爆唔爆？
但係通常應該未必揩到，未必揩到。
係咯，我哋左手邊呢，出現另一條路。
我哋而家試另一條路啦。
咁我哋呢原本見到有條爆林路嘅，但係呢討論咗之後呢，就覺得嗰條路都唔係好安全，所以我哋就決定沿住條大路行條小路。Okay, we are now at this spot, and we need to go back over the stream and go up there.
好，我哋而家上去啦。
係啊，好彩有 Sky 帶我哋，就呢條路都幾難揾啊。
係啊。
但係揾到之後又算清晰，係一條路上到昂塘山。Ngong Tong Hill is a small hill southeast of Wong Chuk Yang Village in Full Town, rising 281 meters. It is also called火炭 Hill, but the reason for Ngong Tong Hill this name is unknown. By the way, there's a火炭Historic Trail nearby, and the火炭Historic Trail primarily follows the path taken by火炭villagers to Taipo Market, and it starts from the quite new village, which passes through Wanhang, Washington, Chengming, Niuotuo, and Alpuiwan. Then exits via the Shantang via Taipo Coal Forest Road and ending at Taipo Station. So if you're finding another trail nearby to do after going to Ngong Tong Shan, because this trail is fairly short, then you can do this trail as well. If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we're gonna leave Ngong Tong Shan now. There's quite a lot of insects here. Ngong just went on my shirt just now, so yeah, I'm gonna leave the same way that we came. Yeah, we are back in the pavilion. Let's take a break here. After we took a break there, we're gonna go back out this concrete road. Alright guys, we are now back on Xuesi Hall. So we will turn left. 幾靚呢棵橙色嘅樹. Wow! This bridge contains the best view of today's hike. Wow, we are walking down the stairs now and we can see this view. It is now 2:07 and we're gonna have lunch at Chengming restaurant. And this is my fried udon. Yum. We are currently walking to the MTR station and there's a beautiful graffiti here. 萬佛嘅獅子同埋有一啲卡通人物，好靚喎！呢一幅畫有個女仔喺度踩緊單車。獅子亭啊，呢個係沙田坳嗰個獅子。We are back in Full-Time Station. We're gonna take one stop to University. And from University Station, we are going to go to other visitors' line. And we're gonna start hiking up to Chung Chi Shan, but my Insta360 has run out of battery, so I'll let you know how to get there. We'll walk by this 河簡達大樓，之後點去宋基山啊？繼續上啊！This is the Faculty of Education。其實我有申請過中文大學嘅音樂課啦，不過我冇被取錄。佢係中文大學嗰啲學生啊嘛，啲舊校友嗰啲。係宋基學院，我男朋友嚟過呢度食飯。Okay, so there's a Chung Chi road here. There's a road on the left and there's a road on the right. We're gonna go to our right hand side. This is Chung Chi Block C and D bus stop, and we will walk past these buildings and we need to keep going up. 天成機械人研究所. Wow, they are researching how to make robotics here. Okay, that's cool. Let's keep going. Wow, this tree looks like a Christmas tree. 到上頂嘅要睇下會唔會有塞到吹返落嚟咯。好啊。So there's another crossway over here, and we're gonna go down to that side and go up that side of the road. Wow, we can see Hong Kong Jockey Club here. And so this is the clinic road, and then we'll walk by these signs and we'll keep going up. Alright, so from the village path, we're going to turn left. We wanted to take the lift to see if we can go to the hill, but we couldn't but we were rewarded with this beautiful view. I think these white buildings, probably the white buildings that I saw in the hill just now, but I think that's a bit too far, so probably not. Okay, so from here we are gonna go up the stairs. We are currently at this road. We are on 150 meters. Chung Chi Shan is on 140 meters. We have now come out of the stairs, and then this is a building that we see, and then there's some car roads here. We are currently on 146 meters, and we are right by this car road. And my boyfriend said he thinks that this building there now is the actual Song K Hill, so there's literally nothing to see here. So we're gonna go to Xuesi Hall. This is the Mong Man Way building. And we're not gonna go to Grace Tian Hall or Daisy Lee Hall. We're just gonna keep going up. There's an antique clock here. Oh, this is Xuesi Hall, and people say there's a photo taking spot here. I want to take a photo here. So behind this little pool, there's actually a beach over here. It is Rukai side, and then that is Chengming Hall, and then we can see the monastery over here. And this would look so nice if there was blue sky. Nice to see you. Wow, 你睇Xuesi Hall隔離呢幅畫，你覺得係咩嚟嘅？
外星。
The new Asia College I saw online. Is it this one? 呢個係新亞書院啊，係咪啊？
唔知喎，唔係。
呢個唐君毅先生係一個精思明白嘅人嚟嘅。
借住參觀。
This is the Song Chi Shan. I have arrived at the actual spot. By the way, my boyfriend is worried that I'm not allowed to fly my drone here. So he's not letting me take out my drone. Because this is like a university, so technically we're in a controlled area.唔係啊 ，Tommy， 呢個先係個新亞書院啊！嚇，我哋而家走啦。呢個就係成明館。Alright, everyone, we took the bus back down, but I wouldn't recommend you to take the bus because it was so busy. Like, I felt a bit unwell, and I had to sleep the whole way through. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you all with another hiking vlog. Bye!